Well, good evening, council members, and thank you so much for this opportunity. I appreciate the virtual option, so thank you. And I just have a very quick message of gratitude. My name is Eva Collins, and I work in the Bellevue School District and serve in the role of Deputy Superintendent on the instructional side. And I'm here this evening just to thank you for your generous support of Eastside Pathways, the backbone, and ultimately the entire Eastside Pathways partnership. The city's support of this community partnership helps ensure that all stakeholders, individuals, public, private, and nonprofit organizations work not in isolation, but together to ensure that equitable pathways are available for kids, youth, young adults, step-by-step, cradle to career, especially for those most impacted by current systems. And because of this partnership and our aligned work, the Bellevue School District is working to examine our own practices and behaviors, especially in the areas of early learning, mental health, racial equity, in order to break down the systemic barriers that we know exist for our kids and young adults. So just a few quick examples of the work that we're doing. One of the collaboratives is an early learning collaborative that works with several dozen early learning providers from health and education, and really focusing this year on working with our Latinx community to improve systems and increase access to supports and services. There's also a mindset, essential skills and habits collaborative that's really focused on high school students' mental health and social emotional well-being, and a racial equity collaborative that is working with organizations to examine their own practices and remove barriers for employees and the communities they serve. Last week, I attended a partnership convening that was organized and facilitated by Eastside Pathways. And within the first hour, I was able to make a connection with a community leader from the group Africans on the East Side. And we've already scheduled a time to meet and talk about our common goals and perhaps work together on some initiatives. So it's these types of community connections that strengthen our educational system and all of the services that we provide for people of our community. So thank you again for your continued support.